Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off camera sound of your iPhone. So let's start. First open the settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on touch and go to assistive touch. Now tap on customize top level menu. You have to remove all other options and then tap on the last one. Now scroll down and tap on mute. And then tap done on top right corner. And you are done. Now whenever you tap on the assistive touch, it will mute your phone. And then if you tap on it again, it will unmute. Now mute your phone and open the camera app. And then click pictures and you will see that there is no sound of clicking pictures. And that's how you can turn off your camera sound. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.